Hello friends, is your cruise control acting strange? Maybe the buttons don't respond or the cruise system suddenly stops working? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0581, it means there's a high voltage issue in the cruise control switch circuit A. This could be caused by a faulty cruise control switch, damaged wiring, or a malfunctioning clock spring inside the steering wheel. But where exactly is the problem? Let's locate the sensor and fix this issue. The P0581 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input A Circuit High. This means the cruise control system is detecting an abnormally high voltage reading from one of its control circuits. To prevent potential safety risks, the ECU automatically disables cruise control. Common symptoms of P0581: cruise control won't turn on, cruise control disengages unexpectedly, check engine light, CL, is on, cruise buttons on the steering wheel are unresponsive, erratic cruise control behavior. If you're facing any of these problems, let's locate the faulty component. To diagnose P0581, check these key components: cruise control switch, steering wheel or stalk, location, on the steering wheel or turn signal stalk. This switch is responsible for controlling cruise functions. A faulty switch can cause incorrect voltage readings. Clock spring, inside steering wheel. Location, behind the steering wheel, inside the steering column. A damaged clock spring can interrupt the electrical connection, causing the cruise control to malfunction. Brake pedal position sensor location, above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If this sensor fails, it may send incorrect signals, disabling cruise control. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, on the throttle body near the intake manifold. A faulty TPS can send incorrect throttle input, affecting cruise control operation. Cruise control module and ECU location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. The ECU processes cruise control signals. If it's faulty, it can misinterpret voltage levels. Wiring harness and fuses location, under the dashboard and near the engine fuse box. Damaged or corroded wiring can lead to high voltage issues in the cruise control circuit. Common causes of P0581: faulty cruise control switch. A stuck or malfunctioning on-off or set button can cause the system to register high voltage. Damaged clock spring. If the wiring inside the clock spring is broken, it can cause cruise control failures. Short circuit in wiring. Corroded, loose or damaged wiring can send incorrect signals, triggering the P0581 code. Defective brake pedal position sensor. A malfunctioning brake sensor can disrupt cruise control signals. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A blown fuse or damaged relay may prevent the cruise control from operating correctly. How to fix P0581? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional codes. If other faults are present, fix them first. Step 2. Check the cruise control switch. If the buttons feel stuck or unresponsive, replace the switch. Step 3. Inspect the clock. Spring inside the steering wheel. Replace if it's faulty. Step 4. Test the brake pedal position sensor. Ensure it's working properly. Step 5. Check the throttle position sensor, TPS. Ensure it's providing the correct throttle input. Step 6. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires and fix them. Step 7. Check fuses and relays related to cruise control and replace if necessary. Step 8. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0581 can lead to cruise control failure and unsafe driving conditions. Fixing it early will restore smooth operation and keep your drive safe. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0408, EGR sensor, a circuit high P0409, EGR sensor B circuit low, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.